everybody. Good morning. Oh no, it's good afternoon. It's Jean here. I just wanted to just take a few minutes of your time. I just wanted to share some really exciting news that I got. I just went out and I got my mail, and I hadn't told anybody because I thought, well, maybe they weren't going to accept it. I just got accepted into the Quilt Show, the Pennsylvania National Quilt Extravaganza Quilt Show, that, as you know, will be held on September 12th, 13th, 14th, and 15th in Pennsylvania, Oaks, Pennsylvania. I've been telling you, Jen and I are going to be going there. We'll be there on Friday the 13th, September 13th. And I had, about 2.5 months ago, I entered the dress quilt, Patty C. You saw me making it, the tutorial with the blonde hair, the blonde wig. I thought it's a pattern. It's not an original, but I made it mine. I put false eyelashes on her. You can go back and see the video of me making the quilt, and she was accepted. Patty C has been accepted. We're pleased to inform you that the jury has selected Patty C for the So They Say quilt competition. It's so exciting. And then I've done this before with my Cheryl My Elephant. I won't bore you. I'm going to put the label on because I didn't put a label on. I made a hanging sleeve and everything to put on in hopes that maybe she would be hung. She was accepted. But I'm so excited because I made another quilt, and I entered it, and it's also been accepted. Now, I've given you a sneak preview of this quilt that I had made. Again, not my pattern. It's a pattern by Angela Waters, the Midnight Quilt Company. I called it Color Madness. It's been accepted, Color Madness. This is my quilt that I am going to be doing a small tutorial on. I did say that to you a little while ago. This is my quilt. It is an explosion of color. What I have done is, if you look up, it's a free pattern by Angela Waters. It's called the Cathedral Windows Pillow Quilt. Or the Cathedral Windows Pillow, and it's just 6 blocks across, 6 blocks down, for a total of 36 blocks. And as I was making that, people were coming in my sewing room. They were like, "Oh my word, where do you begin and end?" It's a really fun, not tricky at all. Tons of fabric. This is a queen size quilt. This took me 41 yards of fabric, believe it or not. I'm not going to be doing a whole tutorial on my quilt, but I am going to show you when I do my tutorial on how to make just a small pillow, as she has done. I'll do it a bit more in depth than she has done, but it's a free pattern. I'm not stealing anything, and I chose. She has a white background, which is more typical cathedral windows, but I chose a polka dot, all different colored polka dots, and then all different fabrics. Bright fabrics for this explosion, my color explosion quilt. So this has been accepted into the Quilt Show. Oops, oh dear. Oh dear, that's gonna fall. All this stuff. I put a hanging sleeve on the back of it. Real pretty backing fabric, this like teal blue. So anyway, I was just excited. I just got that in the mail today. I just went out and got the mail. It's about 5 o'clock here. And I was accepted. So my Patty C is hanging downstairs, but I'm going to go and get it because I have to make a label, put a label on the back, put a label on this one. And there's real, as you saw me with Cheryl My Elephant was accepted, there's real specific instructions on how to do it. Now this one, if you have 2 quilts in the competition, that would be me, please ship them in 1 box. Blah, 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 and closes the label, blah, blah, blah. So, yeah, so these are the 2 quilts. My Patty C, which will be hanging up. I was thinking, though, oh, she has, like, embellishments. I was wondering how I'm going to ship, like, how to wrap her up. I don't want her to get ruined, but never mind. They'll sort it out when they get there. But anyway, this quilt, I hope to have a hanging rod strong enough. This is, oh, there goes something. This is a heavy quilt. This is unbelievably heavy. It's almost 6 pounds. All of this fabric in this quilt. It's made not the traditional cathedral windows way. I have battinged it, or put batting in it, and used a backing. And that's not the traditional way to use cathedral windows. The cathedral windows quilt is more like an origami folding piece of fabric. You fold it, and then insert this little piece. This is done a different way. Again, if you want to look up Angela Walters' Cathedral Windows Pillow, the instructions, it's a free download. I just did it, but I'm doing it slightly different, just slightly different, or maybe not, but slightly. I put my spin on it. So I will be doing this as soon as I get back into the swing of things. I'm going to be doing a more tutorial on this one. I'm going to be finishing up my block party quilt, so lots to come. Maxwell is going to be going back to school at the beginning of September. We have a wedding. We have a gender reveal party for our son and daughter-in-law. So the beginning of September, the middle of September, I'll be getting back into life a little bit more, and video. So this is coming up. But if you get to Oaks, Pennsylvania, you'll be able to see my quilt. This one and Patty C. So I'm all excited. I'm trying not to get too excited because I had gotten a comment when I was going out stupid over the top about my Cheryl My Elephant quilt. I was so excited to see it. I'd only ever had one quilt years ago in a quilt show, but I was all excited, and somebody, of course, had to rain on my parade and say, you were very obnoxious. Of course I was, you know, and I was excited. So I'm not going to be too excited. I'm not going to be excited. I'm not going to talk fast. I'm going to be very subdued and very quiet, and I'm just informing you that my quilts have been accepted. So anyway, obnoxious me. There you go. So I may or may not. Oh yes. I'm almost up to 21,000 views, subscribers. So I will be choosing a name out of a hat to win my free quilt that I have made. That you saw me make that tutorial. That's to come between now and whenever. But I just wanted to share that with you, and I think my faithful friends here on YouTube will be happy for me that my 2 quilts have been accepted into the Quilt Show. So anyway, that's that. I got to start making labels and attach them and fold them up and ship them off to the company. It's Mancuso, the company Mancuso, yeah, the quilt organizers for the Pennsylvania National Quilt Extravaganza. My quilts are extravaganzing. All right, we'll see you later, folks. Thanks, and hope to see you at the Quilt Show. If not, we'll tell you all about it. Jen and I will be videoing it, a couple videos probably, of all the beautiful quilts. And my quilts are going to be there. All right, love you guys. See ya. Bye.